TLC, the Lifestyle Center.
Well, that music sounds like News Extra theme music, so let's do it. Theme is on, and so is Kevin Mooney.
Thank you very much, Dennis. Good morning, everyone. Paulette Schnell is here from Regional West Medical Center. She's the community health nurse and also officially now the Scottsbluff County Health Director.
Yes.
And so she's got a very busy title and a very busy life. But she's going to stop in here and give us our flu shots today. And we're also going to talk about the drive-through flu shot clinic that is scheduled for this Saturday, right?
Right. We have actually two coming up. The drive-through is this Saturday, and it's from 8 to 11, and this is for seniors. So the idea is to load up those people that are 65 and older. If you have family members or yourself or a group of you want to get together, we ask that you be able to put your arm out the window, come drive up, and we can take your Medicare card, so it's charged to that, and give you your shot, and you can be on your way and not have to even get out of the car.
Now, you have several hundred people do this every single year. This is a very popular deal.
Yeah, we have between 600 and 700 people come every year, so it does well. And that way, you know, it is hard for older people sometimes, or anybody not necessarily wanting to stand in line to be able, or, you know, have to park and get in there. This is a nice way to get it done.
All right. So participants, and Saturday it's going to be nice weather. So it'll be fairly easy for you to open up the window, and you can have like 3 or 4 people in the car and get it all done. And contrary to what I did today, the first day I wore a long sleeve shirt because I thought it was going to be cold today, and it is. But I forgot I was getting a flu shot today. You should wear short sleeves, right?
Right. Short sleeves are something easy to pull up so we can get to that upper arm.
Yeah, it's not like the shirt I wore today, which has caused a little bit of a problem. But anyway, and your Medicare Part B card, that's kind of a big thing, right?
Right. That's what you need to bring, and that can be just charged to that.
All right. And then you have the walk-in flu shot clinic, then is the following Saturday, week from this Saturday, right?
That's the 15th, and that's located at St. Mary's Plaza. That's from 8 to 12, and we like to call that our family clinic. Everybody can come to that. Anybody 6 months and older can come. We take all forms of payment. We also have, for those children who do not have insurance, we have the Vaccine for Children's program that can be furnished free. And this year we have an adult program through the state where we can furnish at a discounted price for those that don't have insurance.
All right, so that's really nice. A lot of flexible options for those with no insurance. The missed part of the flu shot, we're not doing that anymore, huh?
Well, for this year, they're reformulating it because this year when they really took a look at it, it wasn't being as effective in the way it was producing the immunity. So they put a stop to that. That's a national thing, so nobody has access to that this year. But they're reformulating it, and hopefully it'll be out soon for the next season because that was very popular for those kids that didn't, or anybody who didn't like to have that shot. So, but this year, it's quick and easy for an injection, and you can be on your way, and it provides that immunity for the whole season.
All right. So we're going to go ahead and get our flu shot. I think Dave's going to do it here on the air as well, and we're going to do that right after this break.
I'm Jay Farner, president of Quicken Loans. Recently, mortgage rates have dropped to the second lowest level in history. The rate today on a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is all the way down to 3.5%, APR 3.57%. It's a great time to refinance with Quicken Loans and save hundreds every month. So lock in this ultra-low rate before it goes back up. Call 800-QUICKEN, that's 800-QUICKEN.
Call for cost information and conditions. Equal housing lender. Licensed in all 50 states. NMLS ConsumerAccess.org, number 3030.
All right, so actually Dave has already got his flu shot, so Dennis and I are going to get ours here on the air today. A couple of things real quick. We got to mention as far as the drive-through clinic, where it is. I guess we forgot to do that before the break, and the times again we want to put out there.
Right. So for the drive-through, that's going to be up by the main hospital, by Physicians Clinic. There'll be lots of signs and people directing traffic, and that's from 8 to 11. So we'll get lots of people through, and it's done real quick. So we encourage you to come on up.
All right. Very good. All right, let's get mine taken care of here. Once again, I was stupid and wore a long sleeve shirt today. So I'm going to put my arm down here. She's trying to lift up my shirt to the right spot and give me my flu shot. And there you go. It's all taken care of. And No problem at all.
Yeah, went quick and easy.
Went quick and easy. So for those people that there are those out there that say something to the effect that, boy, you don't need a flu shot or you shouldn't get one for some stupid reason. What do you tell those folks?
Well, some people will talk about, I get the flu from the flu shot. But the injection is not a live virus, so it cannot cause the flu. What you probably, if you have not felt well shortly after a flu shot, can be the body building that immunity to provide that protection. So it isn't going to cause the flu, or if you get very sick right afterwards, as far as like a temperature, not feeling good, it might be something else that's going on. But those that have had like an egg allergy before and have not been able to get the flu shot, we do have those on the 15th when you come in there. We have all different kinds of flu shots that day, as far as the egg-free one. We also have all the doses for smaller children and adults. There's the high dose for those that are 65 and older, and there's also the quadrivalent that covers the 4 different strains compared to the one that's trivalent, covers 3. We have all the different varieties there.
All right, very good. So let's move over. Dennis is going to get his flu shot now. He was intelligent, wore a short sleeve shirt today. That's good, and he's getting that taken care of, no problem at all, and he's ready to go. Now, one of the other things you're supposed to do if you get a flu shot is kind of move your arm around a little bit where you got the flu shot, kind of make sure it's got some exercise today, right?
Right, because that just helps that absorption of the vaccine that we injected, so that gets absorbed and helps you so you don't have a sore arm later. So just move it around a lot.
All right, so I'll kind of do that today, and we'll be good.
Yeah.
All right.
So I encourage everyone to get out and get that vaccine and get their flu shots, and come see us on this Saturday for the seniors and the 15th for everybody else.
All right. What happens if your employer decides they want to vaccinate the whole group? They can do that too by calling you, right?
Right. We actually can come right out to your work site, and we can either bill the individual's insurance, or we can, if the employer chooses to pay for that, it would be $30. And we can schedule that if you want to just call that 630-1650. We'd be glad to get that scheduled.
630-1650. It's easy to do. And you can get that taken care of for your whole workplace.
Yes.
And a lot of people do that. That's a lot of employers do that in the,
right. And,
the area.
It helps you keep a healthy workplace. If one person doesn't get the flu, then that doesn't spread through your whole workforce.
That's right.
It keeps everybody healthy.
All right. Okay, Paulette, very good. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right, Paulette Schnell, the community health nurse, also Scottsbluff County Health Director. Don't forget that drive-through clinic this Saturday, 8 to 11. For people 65 and older, bring your Medicare Part B card. You just go over to Regional West Physicians Clinic on the south side there, and it's at Regional West Plaza South. You'll see all the signs. It'll be easy to see, and you just line up and you're ready to go. Okay, so it's pretty easy this Saturday, 8 to 11.
Thank you.
You bet.
On the air, online, and streaming live on your mobile device. 960 KNEB, Scottsbluff, Gearing, your trusted voice for news.